Why is Roman legal jargon in the 12 tables so complex? Imagine trying to write down rules for a society that has been running smoothly for centuries without a formal code. That's what the creators of the 12 tables faced. The language they used was packed with specialized words and phrases that made sense to the legal experts of their time. Back then, Roman law was mostly spoken and passed down by priests and magistrates who knew all the legal terms. When the plebeians, or common people, wanted written laws to protect their rights, a group of 10 officials called decemviri was tasked with creating the 12 tables. They had to translate centuries of oral customs into written words, which meant using the same technical language that the legal elite already understood. This legal jargon was not simple because it had to cover many different areas of life. For example, laws about family authority, property rights, debts, and inheritance all had their own specific terms. Each of these areas needed clear rules so people knew what was expected and what was punishable. If the language was vague or confusing, it could be exploited by powerful families to get away with breaking the law. The language also had to be precise enough to be used in court. Magistrates needed clear instructions on how to handle cases involving debt collection, trial procedures, or family disputes. If the words were ambiguous, it could lead to unfair judgments or chaos in the legal system. That's why the legal terms used in the 12 tables were often formal, archaic, and very specific. Another reason for the complexity is that the 12 tables were meant to be displayed publicly in the forum for all citizens to see. Most people could not read or understand complicated legal language, but the laws had to be written in a way that could be memorized and taught. This helped keep the social order because even uneducated citizens could learn the basic rules. The language also served to reinforce the authority of the law and the social hierarchy. Using formal legal jargon made the laws seem more official and unchangeable. It also limited the power of the patricians, the aristocratic class, who controlled much of the legal system. They could not easily manipulate unwritten customs because the laws were now written down in a precise language everyone could see. In the end, the complexity of the legal language in the 12 tables was a way to balance many needs. It protected social order, clarified rules for everyone, and kept the powerful from bending the law to their will. Even though it was hard for common people to understand fully, it created a stable foundation for Roman law that lasted for centuries.